Greetings, everyone. Today we dive into the world of engineering to demystify the lathe machine. Let's begin with a simple question. What is a lathe machine? In the most basic terms, a lathe machine is a tool that spins or rotates a workpiece around a specified axis. This axis acts as the reference point for various operations that we can perform on the workpiece. Now you might be wondering, what operations can a lathe machine perform? Well, there are quite a few. These include cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, and deformation. The beauty of a lathe machine lies in its versatility. With a few adjustments and the right tools, a lathe machine can do all these tasks and more, all while the workpiece is spinning around its axis. Let's break that down a bit further. Imagine you've got a piece of wood or metal that you want to shape. You secure this piece, your workpiece, onto the lathe machine and set it spinning around an axis. Then, using a variety of tools, you can apply different techniques to shape your workpiece. You could cut into it, creating grooves, patterns, or sections. You could sand it down, smoothing out rough edges and polishing the surface. You could perform knurling, which is a process of producing a patterned surface on the workpiece. You could drill holes into it, or even deform it to create complex shapes. The end result? An object that's symmetrical about the axis, but not just symmetrical, precise. A lathe machine's ability to create objects with accurate symmetry is what makes it such an indispensable tool in various industries, from manufacturing to carpentry, from metalworking to glassworking. In essence, a lathe machine is a tool that enables us to shape objects in a precise and symmetrical manner. It's a wonder of engineering that combines simplicity with complexity and function with versatility. And that, my friends, is the magic of the lathe machine. You might be wondering, why do we need such a machine? Well, let's delve into the purpose of a lathe machine. This ingenious device plays a pivotal role in shaping various materials, most prominently in metalworking and woodworking. But its influence doesn't stop there. Even the beautiful symphony you hear from a violin might owe its existence to a lathe machine, as it's used in the crafting of musical instruments. In the grander scheme of things, the manufacturing industry heavily relies on this machine. It's the backbone of production lines, creating parts and equipment with high levels of efficiency and accuracy. Whether it's the engine part of your car or components of the space shuttle, a lathe machine has likely had a hand in their creation. The lathe machine is not only a tool, but a silent partner in our technological advancement, shaping the world around us in more ways than one. So, a lathe machine is an essential tool in various industries, shaping the world around us in more ways than one. Now that we've got the basics down, let's explore the different types of lathe machines. Our first stop is the engine lathe, the most common type of lathe machine. It's the jack of all trades in the lathe world, used for a wide range of applications due to its versatility. The engine lathe has a bed to which the headstock, tailstock, carriage, and other components are attached. Its headstock houses the main spindle and its drive components, while the tailstock supports the end of the workpiece. The carriage, on the other hand, provides a mount for the tool post and cutting tools. Its adaptability and the fine precision it offers make it an invaluable asset in workshops, from small-scale operations to large manufacturing facilities. Now let's shift gears and move on to the turret lathe, a machine designed for quick, repetitive production of duplicate parts. It's the speedster of the lathe family, known for its efficiency and productivity. The turret lathe is characterized by a turret or a hexagonal tool holder that can hold multiple tools. This turret can be quickly and easily rotated to change tools, significantly reducing the time required for tool changes. This functionality makes the turret lathe particularly suitable for high-volume production, where the same operations are performed repeatedly. But what truly sets these two machines apart? While both can perform a variety of operations, the engine lathe is often used for unique, custom jobs requiring fine precision, whereas the turret lathe shines in high-volume, repetitive production settings. It's a classic case of quality versus quantity, with each machine excelling in its own domain. So, there you have it, a brief tour of two of the most common types of lathe machines. Whether it's the versatility of the engine lathe or the efficiency of the turret lathe, these machines are integral to the world of manufacturing. The engine lathe and the turret lathe, each with their unique features, contribute significantly to the world of manufacturing. We've only just begun our journey into the various types of lathe machines. First on our list in this segment is the toolroom lathe. Imagine a traditional lathe, but with a twist. This machine is all about precision. When the job requires a meticulous hand, the toolroom lathe steps up to the plate. It's designed specifically for high accuracy work, and its features are tailored to meet those demands. The toolroom lathe is equipped with a wide range of spindle speeds and feeds. This allows for a greater level of control during the machining process. And control, as we know, is the key to precision. It's the machine of choice for crafting singular, detailed parts. Think of it as the virtuoso of the lathe world, producing work that is as much art as it is engineering. But what happens when you need 100, 1,000, or even 1,000,000 identical parts? Enter the multi-spindle lathe. This machine is the industrial titan of the lathe family. It's designed for mass production, and it's capable of machining multiple parts simultaneously. The multi-spindle lathe is a marvel of efficiency. Each spindle operates independently but in synchrony, allowing for the simultaneous production of identical parts. It's like having a team of expert machinists working in perfect harmony, all under the command of a single operator. The multi-spindle lathe is an indispensable tool in any large-scale manufacturing operation. From automotive parts to electrical components, this machine churns out identical parts with unerring accuracy and speed. To sum it up, the toolroom lathe and the multi-spindle lathe are two sides of the same coin. The former excels in crafting intricate one-off pieces, while the latter is a powerhouse in mass production. They are different, yet they complement each other perfectly, showcasing the versatility and range of lathe machines. From high precision to mass production, the toolroom and multi-spindle lathes play their parts in shaping the world we live in. We've journeyed through the world of lathe machines today. It's been an enlightening voyage, one that has taken us deep into the heart of engineering, into the world of these iconic machines that shape our lives in so many ways. Lathe machines, as we've learned, are the unsung heroes of the manufacturing world. They're the master craftsmen behind the scenes, meticulously carving, shaping and perfecting. From the smallest screw to the most intricate engine part, these machines are indispensable. We've discovered that the purpose of a lathe machine is as versatile as it is vital. They are used for operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling or deformation, producing symmetrical items about an axis of rotation. It's a tool that takes a solid piece of raw material and with precision and finesse, transforms it into something functional, something essential. We've also delved into the varied types of lathe machines, each with its own unique features and uses. The engine lathe, the powerhouse of versatility, capable of performing a wide range of operations. The turret lathe, the production artist, designed for quick, sequential operations. The special purpose lathe, built for specific tasks, a master of its trade. And the CNC lathe, the technological marvel, bringing precision, efficiency and automation to new heights. Each of these machines plays a unique role, contributing to the vast and diverse world of manufacturing and engineering. They're the silent workers, tirelessly shaping, molding, crafting and creating. So, the next time you hold a perfectly symmetrical object in your hand, take a moment to appreciate the skill, the precision, and the engineering marvel that went into its creation. Remember the lathe machine, the unsung hero behind it. For without these machines, the world as we know it would look very different indeed. Next time you see a perfectly symmetrical object, remember the lathe machine, the unsung hero behind it.